to be godlike. And so
God isn't celibate. It's a spirit. See, I'm not the only one to think Jesus was married to Mary.
to her name, Mary Magdalene. In the Bible's New Testament, Mary Magdalene is identified as a follower of Jesus who witnesses both his crucifixion and his resurrection. But she was not reported to have been a participant in what is called the Last Supper.
Yes, she was. She was the woman who washed his feet.
Then why would Leonardo place her in his painting? Did the artist have access to secret knowledge about the true nature of the relationship?
Some think that's Mary, right, and not the disciple.
That Leonardo was trying to point to Mary Magdalene.
Well, there's a woman who washes his feet with her feet, right?
We have them joined at the
Some say that's Mary Magdalene too, right?
Jesus says a 30-year-old Jewish man of the time would have been very hard pressed to be without a wife. So the theory is that Mary Magdalene was in fact his wife, but the Catholic Church didn't want Jesus as the
Well, she might have committed adultery with one of the disciples or something. I don't know, right? And that disciple didn't want you to know who he was, Peter.
Mary Magdalene as a prostitute rather than as a woman of importance. If Leonardo did indeed intend to depict Mary Magdalene as the person sitting next to Jesus, what makes her inclusion even more curious is an element of the story that seems to have been deliberately omitted. Jesus' chalice, otherwise known
as the Holy Grail.
In the Bible, it says that one of the reasons for the Last Supper was for Jesus to instigate the communion, his blood represented by the wine on the table, and his body, which was to be broken on the cross by the broken bread. Now, there is
But daughters weren't as publicized as sons, right? Say you are with 7 women or 8 women, right? And they all have daughters, right? You wouldn't say that, right? If you were a man of that age, right? Though there are 4 virgin daughters who did prophesy in the Bible, but you don't know their names, right? Do you understand why? Right? There's only a few women, one Mary who bestowed much labor upon them, right? We don't know who she is, right? And then Julia, right? They think she was a woman, right? And mentioned as a possible apostle. Then there was Aquila and Priscilla. They were a married couple going around, right? I know. Though Paul mentions women in his letters a few times, right?
Will be special and carrying a special new type of DNA for a new
Could that be me?
On Earth. And this is literally
the Holy Grail.
Did Leonardo da Vinci have special extraterrestrial knowledge?
But if you blacked me out, you weren't trying to kill me now over pedophilia, right? And God disagreed strongly, and he'll be like the Wolverine, huh, bro?
One that, when translated, will allow direct communication with our alien ancestors.
And only if you want. I am, but I don't remember that. I don't know.
Some things are good to know.
Now, what are you gonna do about it if I am? And you can't kill me outside of Jerusalem. You know that, right? If I am the 2 witnesses, right? I gotta get to Jerusalem, idiot. And your daughter ain't worthy either to stop me, right? Nor you, apparently. Nor you, apparently. And it seems you want to interfere with it, but it's too late. I already know who I am, right? See, the dream clues me in, right? Once I had the dream, no matter what happened after, right? And I figured out it had to do with the two witnesses. You can't hurt me as you would a normal man, right? And that's the point. That's the point. I know you're trying to, right? Well, that's the point, right? I also don't try to really come on to a lot of women, but I'm trying to wait for the one woman, but I don't know who she is, right? I don't even know if I'm supposed to go with one anymore, right? See, that's archaic thinking, right? When Solomon had 1,000 wives, or David at least anywhere from 12 to, right, 13, maybe 17 himself, right? And that's not including Bathsheba and, right? But four are kind of mentioned. Micah, Abigail and her friend, right? Bathsheba, and then 10 at Jerusalem, which is at least 14, right? I know. I know. And see, I don't know what the rules are anymore, right? For me, right? When you don't know something, you just try to behave yourself in a civil, polite conversation, right? And if someone has a problem with you, you gotta let the authorities know, or people know, right? They have a problem with me because I might be one of the two witnesses, right? Get over it then.